boys and girls, and welcome to my channel. I am Miss Kim, and today I have a fun art project for you. You remember the Big Bad Pig story? And how the Big Bad Pig became so cheery at the end? What did he play as he was dancing around? That's right! We are going to make our very own tambourine. Well, let's get started. Meet me at the table. Okay, let's begin. These are the supplies that we will be needing to make our tambourine. Oh, what fun! You will need 2 small paper plates. We will be using a hole punch, a stapler, about 1/4 cup of uncooked macaronis, and some ribbon. I use white. You can choose any color you have on hand. And I am going to use colored pencils. You can also use crayons. So, right, let's begin. Let's first start with making our rainbow. And we want to start with the purple. I'm going to show you how to start and make some of the arches. And then anytime you need to stop the video to catch up, you just push that pause button until you catch up and then push it again to restart. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. We're going to start with the purple. So let's make a couple of dots down at the bottom. Now we want to make an arch and connect the dot, just like that. And then we want to start with, that's right, the blue. And again, make our dots on either side. Draw the arch to connect the dots. Now what color? The green. Okay, boys and girls, now you follow along. Yay! We colored it in. And as you saw, Miss Kim had to make another arch with purple so we could have a purple arch and not just color in the whole bottom area. Okay, well now let's do the same thing on the other paper plate. Yay! What beautiful rainbows! Yay! Okay, boys and girls, now we are going to put them together like that. And we are going to start to staple. So you take your stapling gun and you poke it in like this and staple on the edges all the way around. Well, part way, we have to leave a hole for our macaroni. So follow along with what I am doing And if you need help, ask someone to help you. So we have to get them close together so our macaronis won't fall out. Good job. Okay, Miss Kim's going to stop right there. Fluff it back out with your hand. Okay, now we want to make, I'm going to make some triangles on mine. Remember how we make our triangle shape? You can make triangles, squares, or circles, whatever you want to do. I can make different shapes on mine. See, there's my circles. Now, let's make some squares. Good job. Just however you want to decorate. Oh, Miss Kim didn't close that up. Okay. Now turn it over and do the same thing. Look at that. Beautiful. Now what we want to do is add our macaroni. So here we go. Make your hole. Pour in your macaroni. That's what makes the noise when we shake it. Okay, now take your stapler and finish stapling all the way around. Whoop. Yay. Now we want to add some holes so we can lace our string. So here we go. And again, if you need someone to help you, you get someone to help you with the hole punch. Whoop. Hold on. There we go. You can make as many holes as you would like. I just like to skip like that. In between each shape is the best. There we go. And here, I'm going to put 2. Okay, so now we want to get our string. And Miss Kim needs to cut it. She forgot to cut her string. Okay. We needed scissors to cut. But we'll do this first. Let's go all the way around. That way we'll know exactly how much we will need. Yay, we did it. Now this is when we will cut. So let's go ahead, use some scissors, and let's cut it long like that, okay? Now we want to tie a knot. So watch what I'm doing, and if you have problems tying a knot, ask somebody for help. But you want to crisscross like you're making an X. Take the one on the bottom over the top and through the hole. Then pull. Yay! Let's do that again. Crisscross. The one on top goes under and through the hole. That little string wants to move. Put one finger there and pull. and pull. Yay, we made a knot. There's our knot and our strings. We can add some more strings for decorations. So find your holes again. Whichever holes you want to go in, pull it through, and you can make your tail as long as you want. That's how long I'm going to make mine. It makes it easier to tie a knot. Okay, let's make another knot. Over, under, and pull. And repeat. Over, under, and pull. And let's do one more. Oh, let's try that again. I pulled it out. Okay. And make another knot. Over, under, whoops, get back over there. Under, and pull. Okay. Yay, and now you have your tail to go at the bottom of your tambourine. And then shake. Good job, boys and girls. You did it. And what a beautiful tambourine. Yay, you did it. Wasn't that fun? We learned all kinds of skills today, didn't we? We learned how to use a stapler. We did some lacing. We did some arches when we drew our rainbow, right? And you got to draw your favorite shape when we made our tambourine. Now you can go and make beautiful music. Boys and girls, thank you for joining me today. And remember, art is all about creating something as unique and wonderful as you. Until next time, bye.